What are you wearing a hat?
Yeah, it's, you know, when you're getting old, it's your body, it's different now. You feel cold even you're inside the house.
Okay,
Yeah.
Ano to?
That's why I'm protecting my head. You know, I'm already 63, going on 64. Okay? So I want to take care of my
Okay,
Nakain mo na ba to?
kinain ko lang yung shrimp. Ayaw ko yung fried rice.
Ha?
Ayaw ko yung kanin. I don't like the fried rice.
Okay. By the way, magsisimba kami din yung go to Niagara kasi may lighting si Daddy.
Oh, can I go?
Ha?
Can I come? Mag-vlog ako.
Okay, if you want to. Why not?
Okay, I'm
Pwede doon
mag-vlog.
yung mga tao. Maligo ka.
Yeah, but I have to vlog.
May lighting, ha? May
Okay.
lighting.
Okay, I'm gonna vlog. Bye.
Okay. Nandun si ni Frank, nandun si ni S.
Makakago there.
Nandun si na, ano,